This may be the simplest, yet the most eye-opening lesson you can learn at the beginning of your Dragon Poi journey. Imagine you just started skateboarding. You step onto the board and immediately try to jump. There's almost 100% chance you'll end up on the ground. So first you learn how to stand on the board, how to move and how to turn. Later, once you become stable and confident with just riding it, you can start learning tricks and gradually go faster, higher and crazier. With Dragon Poi, the principle is exactly the same. But unlike skateboarding, there's no risk of falling, so people feel ready to jump straight into tricks the very first time they pick up a dragon. And then very quickly, rapping and tangling stop being funny and become frustrating. This is where most people give up on Dragon Poi forever. My mission is to help you pass that crossroads and stay on the path into the world of Dragon Poi. Just like beginner skateboarders first learn how to stand and balance on the board, beginner Dragon Poi performers first learn how to keep the dragon flying. It's much simpler than it looks. Keeping a smooth, uninterrupted flow starts with just two basic figures, zeros and eights. Their names already tell you what they look like. Those two figures naturally transition into one another, and the more natural those transitions become, the more confident you become stepping outside the frame of the basic figures and expressing your own creativity. Zeros and eights work together as the foundation of Dragon Poi. Think of them as a playground for special figures, and building that playground stable and consistent should be the main focus at the beginning. So let's go step by step. Take only the leash and the dragon's head. Spin it continuously while experimenting with different directions, speeds, grip lengths, and transitions. This will help you understand the movement and build muscle memory. Practice every movement with both arms. We can't stay in one place while playing Dragon Poi. Practice stepping around naturally while spinning at the same time, coordinating your arms and legs into one smooth movement. Now attach the dragon's body and repeat steps 1 and 2. Keep experimenting, especially with transitions, while focusing on moving naturally with the whole dragon in motion. This is the final stage. Once you master the previous 3 steps, the only thing left is to keep the dragon flying for longer and longer. Create a playlist and challenge yourself to keep the flow uninterrupted until the last song ends. Then make it even more challenging. Drink some water without stopping the dragon. Take a selfie, circle a tree, go up and down the stairs. The goal is simple. Keep the dragon alive while your attention is somewhere else. When you reach that point, you're no longer thinking about every single movement. Your body already understands it, and that's exactly when your creativity starts to take over. The basic figures stop feeling like basic figures and become a natural part of your movement. That's when Dragon Poi starts becoming real fun. With patience and only 2 basic figures, you're able to create an endless flow, Add just a little creativity, and your performance will start to look meaningful and well planned, like it's being performed by a real experienced artist. Practice smart and don't give up at the beginning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.